Can I wash white clothes with colored clothes?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be addressing a common question everyone has about laundry. Can I wash white clothes with colored clothes? We'll go over the risks involved, the best practices, and some useful tips to ensure your clothes maintain their vibrant colors and pure whites.
What happens when you mix white and colored clothes?
When you wash white clothes with colored ones, there's a risk of color transfer. This happens because the dye in colored clothes can bleed out and seep into your white clothing, leaving them tinted or discolored. In general, it's best to separate your white clothes from your colored clothes to prevent this issue.
Are there exceptions?
Yes, there are some exceptions. If the colored clothes have been washed several times already, they're less likely to bleed color. Also, you may be able to wash light-colored clothes like pastels or tans with whites. However, this is risky and you should always do a small test before washing a whole load this way.
Tips to prevent color transfer.
Here are some useful tips to prevent color transfer. 1. Always sort your clothes not just by color but also by fabric type and weight. Delicate fabrics and heavier materials should be washed separately. 2. Do a color fastness test. Dampen a discrete area on the colored item, then blot it with a white cloth. If the color transfers, it's not color fast and should be washed separately. 3. Use color catcher sheets. These sheets absorb loose dyes in the wash, protecting your clothes from color transfer. 4. Wash new colored clothes separately. New clothes are more likely to bleed dye, so always wash them separately the first time. So, to wrap things up, it's generally best to err on the side of caution and wash your white clothes separately from your colored clothes. It might seem like extra work, but keeping your whites bright and your colors vibrant will be worth it. Remember to always test the color fastness of new colored clothes before washing them with others. We hope this video was helpful and has given you the information you need to keep your laundry looking its best. Happy washing!